Mzansi will come in. You are chopping it today. 7 games, guys. Then she will be done. Damn. Oh my God. If you want, thank you. Oh my God, guys. And she can't even challenge us. Give us a game. Move back, Mama. There's no time for sitting here. Move back. Can you move back, Mama? You don't want to. Okay, thank you.
So much.
Move back.
Guys, can someone snipe?
Move back. Guys, can you hear me now? She's trying to bewitch my network. Guys, can you hear me?
I'm trying to bewitch your network.
Oh, so you can hear me. Yes, you're
You
trying
were
to bewitch my
sending
network.
V1's photo. Aibo.
What photos?
The V1's photo.
Can you please respect?
Yes, I'm suffering.
Mama, jealous will be the end of you. Jealous will be the end of
Yes,
you.
I'm suffering. Yo, Lord.
Thank you. Jealous will be the end of you. You are suffering. You forgot what you were doing to us yesterday. Now we are singing in
I'm finished
4 p.m.
eating. You'll see my energy after this.
What energy?
Watch.
What energy? Because you don't even have supporters right now. Start
Okay, watch what's gonna happen.
Oh, viewers, oh my God.
Watch what's gonna happen after I eat.
Admire P. You can't be eating when we're playing a series. Mama, you say this is why. This honestly.
Yeah, don't give a damn when I tell that idiot to play the game. Tell that idiot what I was doing to you yesterday. How? Instead of telling that idiot what I was doing to you yesterday, you are busy beating me with the forever together. We are fighting together in the FYP. Oh. He's busy sending the songs there. How, Bo? He's busy sending the songs instead of whooping me seriously. If you make me stand up, then make me stand up with something serious. How? You are together, we are fighting. I'm going to Zimbabwe and fight. 3 roses, guys, please. Guys,
are you done disrespecting him?
Guys, now I must.
Should I tell him? Should I ask him? Actually, not telling him because I can't.
Look,
Should
guys,
I ask
look
him?
the winning streaks.
Thank you so much. Should I ask him to send 1,000 points? So
don't ask him. Tell him to go harder.
I don't tell Elo. I don't have the right to be ordering
him
around. I will beg. I will ask him in a nice way. So you think I can just say, if you want to do this, with whose money? I will ask him. I will not tell him, but I will ask in a nice way. Like, viewers, can we get 1,000 points so that she can keep quiet? That way, I will not say, viewers, give me 1,000 points. This is why you don't have smoke. You tell people what to do with their own money. Ashawo. Oh, you are lucky that I don't have coins. Now shut up, move back. This is why now I'm gonna go like that. Boom! You see the same thing that we are doing to her. She was doing it to us with those cool things. The future seats, the boat diving. She was dropping them. And I was crying in a corner yesterday. Now she's the one crying in a corner. Fifi, don't do this. You called viewers an idiot, a small boy. Now look at this. Now look! Mama, green lady. Let me sit nicely. Oh. Guys, I don't have space in this room, Thank you so much, viewers. All right, I want you to sit like this. I think like this is a little bit better. Wow, viewers, thank you so much. On the next game, I'm gonna go hard on him. Mama, but this is not fair. I wasn't sitting down on the last 80.
It was your choice.
You are saying this now?
It was a choice. That's the
It's okay.
You
It's
wanted
okay.
to
You know
stand up because the whooping was serious. Mina is not a whooping that thing.
what do you
Mina
mean it's
is
not a
not a
whooping?
whooping.
What do you mean it's not
He's
a
tickling
whooping?
me. It's just a
Because we are left with
tickling.
7. We are left with 6 games now.
Oh.
6 games. 6 games. We're gonna give you 15-1 today, so that you will learn that we are not your mates. Not 8-7, iconic. 8-1. They only have 1 game. Okay, they only have 1 game. They only have 1 game. We have 9 games now. Dog Life Matters, welcome in. Thank you so much,
Guys,
viewers.
thank you so much.
We have 9 now. We have 9. 9-1, yes, 9-1. We have 9 now. If I were you, I was just gonna say viewers. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Kim. I know you don't like my viewers, but please forgive me. I called you an idiot. That's what I was going to say. But when you want to act like a big girl. Oh, viewers! Oh my God! Imagine the same person. The same person is whooping you 15-0. Yes, dog.